Hey, this is Robert Grasik from LumiWealth, and I want to give a review for APPWRK IT Solutions, who have been absolutely amazing. I just want to leave this review. Honestly, when we started, it was quite a complicated task that they had to do. They're basically writing blog articles for us, like very technical type blog articles. It took a while for them to figure it out, as was expected, but they're actually very good at learning new stuff. It's pretty complicated things. We have a complicated open source Python library that we have called LumiBot, and that does like trading and things like that. So it's quite a complicated thing, but they actually stuck through it. Over 2-3 months, they've gotten very, very good at creating articles. I just wanted to give a shout out to them. APPWRK IT Solutions, absolutely amazing. A very, very good team to work with. If you're debating whether you should be working with them or not, I'm telling you, you really should. They're great. They really are diligent, hardworking, figured out some very complicated technical problems, and they have a really big team that actually was able to figure out all these different things. It was great because whenever I had an issue, we ran up, okay, we can't do this, then they just got another person on the team and they're able to bring in more resources. So I thought it was really great to work with them. I just want to put this video out there. Thank you very much, and APPWRK team.